Hello students, I am Abhishek Sharma and I am computer faculty of Modi Public School. I hope that during this lockdown you all will be fine. So today we are going to learn about Windows 10, which is chapter 2 of class 5th. Basically we can say that Windows is a very important part of any computer which helps you to interact with the computer system. And the latest version of Windows is Windows 10. So in Windows 10, computer and user can interact in a very better manner, and also it helps you to manage all the resources and the components in the computer system. So here we can see the old version of Windows are Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 2000. So these all are the oldest version of Windows. Now let's take the brief of the features of the Windows 10. The first feature that it's very easy to use, so user can interact very easily with the computer system. So that is the first feature of Windows 10. Second is the Cortana feature. Cortana feature is nothing but a voice assistant which helps you to give any voice commands and make the computer to work on your instructions. That is the Cortana. Third is personalization, which helps you to personalize all the content what you really looking for, that comes in the your personalization, which includes the desktop icons, manipulation, and the sizes of the background, etc. So these all are the features which gives you the more facility and use the Windows 10 in a better manner. Now we can say that App Store is also one of the latest feature of Windows 10. You can see that whatever application you are looking for, you can get it from the App Store, which is available in the Windows 10. It was not available in Windows 7 and Vista. So that is the main feature of Windows 10, which allows you to access any application from the Windows 10. Now let's see the next topic, which is desktop. So basically desktop is a main window on which all the icons are available. Whatever software you need to access, the icon of that particular software will be available, and you can double click on that and you will be getting that software, and you can use that in your own requirement. So you will be not needing other things to recreate or reopen. So basically the desktop is the main window, you can see, or main screen, on which all the icons are available. Also you can personalize from there. You can right click on the desktop and you will be getting themes and the personalization option in the Windows 10. The next topic is the start menu. The start menu is nothing but the main menu which contains all the programs whatever installed in the computer system. In Windows 10, basically we can see the start menu in the tiles manner. You can see that for the different programs there is a tiles are available, so that you can click on that particular tiles and you will be getting that software. So that is the part of tiles, and start menu is a very important menu which allows you to access any program, and it also help you to open any program in a more efficient manner. The next topic is live tiles. Live tiles is something which allows you to access the latest application like news reports, weather report, or etc. It is connected with the internet, so that it's getting the day-to-day updates, and you can get the latest updates about the weather and news of the current affairs or regarding any topic of the world. The next topic is resizing the tiles. Resizing the tiles means that you can give size to the tiles according to your own efficiency. You can use the resizing to tiles, and you can give the shape to the tiles, so that whenever you are seeing the computer system, you will be able to see the tiles in your own manner. Okay, the next topic is moving and grouping. Moving and grouping is something which makes you to move the part of the tiles, you can move all the unnecessary tiles to the one group, and you can make a group of the tiles which is very important for you and you are using on a day-to-day basis. So that's very important to group all those tiles in a one group so that you can access those in a frequent manner. Now next topic is customizing the desktop. Customizing the desktop is nothing but to customize the desktop according to yourself. Like you can change the desktop background, you can change the image, you can change the color of the background. So these all activities comes in your customization of the desktop. The next is pictures folder of desktop. Pictures folder is very important. You can see that whatever pictures stored in your computer system, these are available in the in a folder which is pictures folder, and it contains all the pictures of your own computer system. You can click on that and you can get it from any kind of pictures. You can manipulate that, you can use it as a background, you can do whatever operation you want to do it from the picture folder. So pictures folder is basically a folder which contains all the images in your computer system. So this is all about Windows 10. I hope that you understand the concept of the Windows 10. Thank you so much and enjoy this video lecture from the Abhishek sir. Thank you.